P of x is equal with the 3x squared plus 10x plus 5 minus 5x minus k. In the polynomial P of x defined above, k is a constant. If P of x is divisible by x, what is the value? If this polynomial is divisible by x, it means the x is a factor. So if the x is a factor, so let me write here x minus 0 is equal with 0. So it means that x is equal with 0 is one solution of this polynomial. So if we take a P of 0, pull this polynomial, and instead of the x, we are plugging in 0 squared plus 10 times 0 plus 5 is a minus of 5 times 0 minus k. So let me simplify a little bit of this equation. And instead of the P of 0, whole this equation, the remainder is going to be 0 because we are applying the factor theorem. And here is a 0, square is a 0, 10 times 0 is 0, plus 5. Everything here is going to be 3 times 5, positive 5. In the other hand, here is a minus 5. 0 minus k is a minus k. So let me write minus k. If I'm doing here some operation, what's going to be here? 3 times 5 is a 15. And minus negative times negative is a positive. 5 times k is 5k. And now we are solving for the k. Minus 15 this side, minus 15 the other side. So this we can cancel, and minus 15 is equal with a 5k. If we are dividing everything by 5, so definitely the k is equal, minus 15 divided by 5 is a minus 3. So the right answer is 3. So this is the right answer. So it means minus 3. The right answer is A. This is the right answer. But in the case it's just if we want to prove it, this is right, we can prove it very easily. Because let's say I have a P of x, so I'm going I'm just going to prove. I'm going just to prove. Okay, so P of x is going to be equal, here is 3 times x squared plus 10x plus 5 and minus 5x. Instead of the k, we are plugging negative 3 times negative is a plus 3. And plus 3 is here. And what's going to happen here? If we are distributing, P of x is going to be equal to the 3x squared. So I'm distributing here. Plus 10 times 10x times 3 is a plus 3x. 3 times 5 is a plus 15. And minus 5 times x is a minus 5x. And here negative times a positive is a negative 15. Because 5 times 3 is a 15. But now I have here this plus 15, negative 15 is a 0, and P of x is equal with a 3x squared, and 3x minus 5x is a plus 25x, and here what remains here is just this x here. And now if we divided this polynomial by x, is divisible by x because this is a factorable, so P of x is equal with a x times 3x plus 25. So it means we divide by x, so this is divisible by x, this polynomial. So we already proved it. So the right answer is answer A.